My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an easy tomato soup. Now the first thing we're going to do is take a pot over medium heat, turn that on like that. So this is very, very simple. We're going to take some low salt chicken stock, pour that right in the pot, and we're going to follow it up with some good marinara sauce. That looks awesome. Now we're going to give this a stir and let it come up to a simmer. Now while this comes up to a simmer, we're gonna make some cheesy croutons. So I have a slice of bread over here. I'm gonna put a little mozzarella cheese on top. This also has some Parmesan cheese in there as well. And kind of load that up just like that. And I'm gonna place this in the air fryer for like 3 or 4 minutes until it gets golden brown. If you don't have an air fryer, you can use your oven or you can use a toaster oven. Now our cheesy crouton is all done and our soup is simmering away. It looks really, really good. So we're gonna finish this off with a little bit of Italian seasoning. And now we're gonna stir in a little bit of heavy cream just to thicken things up. Oh, that looks really, really good. It's a super simple recipe. Oh, that looks lovely. All right, let's bring this up to a simmer. We're just gonna chop this up into squares. Ooh, nice and crispy. All right, beautiful. Let's move this over here. Let's bring our bowl over. The soup smells amazing. Look at that. Just fill that bowl up. This beautiful tomato soup. Nice and creamy. Bring that over here. Awesome, and then we're gonna top it off with a couple of those cheesy croutons. Beautiful. And that's how you make easy tomato soup. My name's Chef Egg, and I wanna give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.